Hello, today we are making a Mackenzie Childs inspired checkered pumpkin. And check out my channel, Sarah Smiles Arts and Crafts, for more fun projects. The supplies you'll need are a pumpkin, painter's tape, white primer spray paint, a pencil, black paint marker, acrylic paint, I'm using black, white, gold, and hues of yellow, and some paintbrushes. First, you want to cover the stem with painter's tape. Next, you want to spray paint the whole pumpkin with the flat white primer spray paint. Once your spray paint is dry, remove the painter's tape, and now you have a perfectly white pumpkin that you can start working on. I like to start initially by drawing my lines out with pencil before I grab the paint marker for such a permanent move. Be careful not to smear the paint marker. If there's an area that you're going to cross over with your hand or your arm, make sure to let it dry first before going to that area. I also like to start out by coloring in my blocks with the paint marker first, and then we're going to go back and cover it with the black paint later. I find it helpful to mark off the boxes that I'm going to paint completely black with X's first. Now I'm just going over the black marker with the black paint, and it's going to give it a smooth, dark, complete covered finish. You'll notice the bottom half of my pumpkin I didn't complete so that I could handle it while I was trying to paint. Now I'm going to go back and finish the first few steps and finish painting the bottom. Now it's on to the white boxes. This is where the Mackenzie Childs inspirational look comes alive. We're going to use white, 2 hues of yellow, and some gold. We're not going to blend them, we're just going to make sure they're all on the brush and make soft, quick, fast, smooth strokes into each square. And we are finished. Now you have a Mackenzie Childs inspired pumpkin.